Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, we are going to be discussing how you can set up a faceless YouTube channel and start earning money, okay? This is coming from somebody who does faceless YouTube channels, doing faceless YouTube channels, and YouTube allowed me to buy my dream house that I'm sitting in right here, and it really just changed my life and allowed me to bring in over $10,000 per month right here on YouTube. And you can do it too, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do it. And I will actually guide you, okay? I have a community program that you can join right now where I'll walk you through the steps, guide you along the way, and there's a 30-day free trial right now. You don't need any experience to get started. And please consider joining that because you know, I am going to be picking people and giving them shout outs and helping them along the way to actually start making a lot of money. Okay, let me sync up my computer here and show you exactly what I'm talking about, because this is something that should not be slept on and you could actually become really successful with this. So this is just one of my YouTube channels that I have that I make money with, and I have several monetized YouTube channels. And this is one of them. As you can see here, in the past year, I've brought in $134,000. And this year alone, I'm almost to $57,000, and that's just from January 1st to May 7th. And I've already hit multiple $1,000 days, to even one day got $2,700 in a single day. Last year, I've brought in on this channel $125,000 on this. Look at this, on New Year's Eve, I brought in $1,500. So check out the program below. And again, there's a full like hour-long video down there, group chat, everything, and I'll walk you through it. But in today's video, I want to go over 3 examples of faceless YouTube channels just to get the ball rolling and to give you guys a little sneak peek into my program. Obviously, I can't dive too much in depth here and interact with you guys too much on this video, but I want to show you guys just the possibilities of all this stuff. I actually taught one of my friends to start a faceless YouTube channel. She never showed her face once. You never listen to her voice, and she started making $40,000 to $50,000 per month. She started making way more than me, okay? As you can see here, and that was on one of her channels. I think she only did one channel though. But on this channel, I make over $10,000 a month. But she totally blew it out of the water. I was like, that's crazy. But yeah, you know, it changed her life. It changed my life. She's already rich though. I mean, she's a pretty smart girl. But this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will not get rich overnight. But it could really, you know, get you out of debt. Or for me, it got me out of debt and allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now. And yeah, anyways, this is the first one though. This one's super interesting. I do recommend this because faceless YouTube channels, guys, there's a few different routes you can take. This guy, these are videos that are evergreen, meaning people will watch these forever and ever. Look at this. You upload a video 6 months ago. Somebody walking around Miami. Somebody walking around Istanbul. Somebody walking around Japan. So my question is, do you think this guy travels around the world and does vlogging, or does he hire somebody in different cities to go around and walk around? Because look at all he does. There's no face. All he simply does is carry around a camera and record. Can you imagine? What world do we live in where you can just walk around like this? All he does is walk around like this, and he's making so much money, you will not believe it. HP walking tours. The amount of money, like I use Social Blade to look at data. This is all public. 65,000 views per day. I'm guessing, my friends, he's making around $1,000 a day doing this. 30 grand a month. It's absolutely mind-boggling how much money there is out there. The walking around like 4K videos, it's been doing so many people do it. Look at this one, 4K relaxation channel. This one has even more, 1 million subscribers. And all they do, guys, is walk around. This guy just sticks to the Redwood Forest. Like, that's his niche. So, I mean, you don't need to go travel around the world. You can just do it right in your own backyard or wherever you live. Like, I'm sure you live near a city. I mean, these ones, yeah. I mean, this is not like crazy beautiful footage. I mean, it is pretty, but it's not like, it's probably just shot on an iPhone or like a random little camera. He's just walking through the woods. I'm sure there's woods near you. And he's got 1 million subscribers. And yeah, I mean, he's probably made millions of dollars on this channel. It's crazy. Anyways, that's a really good idea, is one of these channels. And again, I dive way more into depth on how to actually, you know, build a channel and get monetized and everything. But a channel like this, I wouldn't be surprised if they're making tens of thousands of dollars per month, or if not, sometimes even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Okay, the next one, guys. And again, you could either do it yourself or hire somebody, pay somebody 20 bucks an hour to walk around with the phone in their hand. I'm sure you'll get, I have actually tried it in the past, and I got a lot of people who were willing to do it. It actually wasn't even paying that much. I was paying like 16 bucks an hour. And there were plenty of people who were down. Okay, the next one, Rewind. This is an example of a faceless channel. All they do is upload compilations of popular YouTubers. They do the vlog. Their niche is like David Dobrik's groups. Because this guy, he used to vlog a lot on YouTube and he stopped. So this channel was like, all right, well, we're just gonna upload best moments from his old vlogs to capture the audience that was already there. This one is good because they never upload any short form videos, so you can actually really see how much money they've made. They brought in 800 million views. Guys, if you know anything about this, 100 million views is around, I want to say around $1 million. So this channel's probably brought in around $8 million. That's crazy. $8 million. I would say maybe a little bit less because some of their videos seem a little short. No, they're all over 8 minutes, meaning they have, if they're over 8 minutes, guys, there's more ads in it. So yeah, like look at this clickbait. Come on. And she's even looking at her. Yeah. They're still getting 85,000 bucks or 85,000 views a day, even though they haven't even posted in 4 months. So they're still probably getting around, that's still around 1,000 bucks a day. They're still making 20 to 30,000. So you can see just how passive this is now. They literally don't even upload for 4 months, and they're still making 1,000 bucks a day probably. It's crazy. Okay, and this is the last one I wanted to talk about. It's Mindful Peace. I actually think these ones are really good because people watch, this is a meditation channel. Lots and lots of people are into meditation, but not only that, they will actually watch these videos every single day. A lot of people, you know, once they find a channel that they like, or even just a single video they like, they save it on their phone, and every day, every night, you know, like I'm sure on here there's like a morning one, right? Meditation for the morning, 15 minutes. I'm sure, yeah, look at this, 1.7 million views. I'm sure people, 7 years ago, I'm sure people still are watching this every single day, every morning, or a few mornings a week. Boom, there's an ad that plays. Boom, you just, you know, like this one, less anxiety, better sleep. So they even have one for night too. So I'm sure people do this one too. 1.1 million views, yeah. So anyways, these are 3 video channel ideas. Again, if you want to learn exactly how to set this up, start making money, and really grow your wealth, join my program below. I have a 30-day free trial right now, where when you join it, guys, you will get charged $000 for 30 days. And you can join the group chat, check it out, get all the material. Once you log in, go to My Programs. That's what the tab is called in your portal. And you can click View Programs, and then that's when you join the program. And then go to the group chat, join the group chat, and once you start, be interactive in there. I'll be giving you guys feedback, etc. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Again, this really, really changed my life. I was able to, just in the past 90 days, bring in $18,000. This is last year, 134,000 bucks. 2024, $56,000 so far this year. I just want to show you screenshots just so you guys are like, you guys, I mean, it looks crazy, but for me, this is normal because I look at this every single day. And you know, this allowed me to buy the house I'm sitting in and really like change my life. If you just look up my YouTube channel, this is a different channel I have. I have several channels. This is another channel that I have called, this is the Finance Zone, where I make political videos. I have another couple different Faceless channels, but I go over all of it in the course below. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys, this is, you know, I never, like, I'm jumping around my backyard because I was like so freaked out. I still, every time I walk outside, I freak out because I always dream, this was before the remodel, as you can, if you've seen any of my content, you see my backyard looks a lot different now, but this was literally days after I bought it. And I got a really good deal on it, but also, you know, I always dreamed about having a house with a big backyard. And this is in Southern California. This house costs over $1 million. And it's like, I was just freaking out, like we really did cartwheels in the backyard. Let me show you I think I tried to do a little cartwheel. But yeah, I was just absolutely, I mean, I still feel so blessed, but like this moment, guys, was outstanding. And doing YouTube was the reason I did it. And I always, from the very beginning, did the Faceless YouTube channel method. I always did the Faceless YouTube channel method because it's what works the best. I honestly believe that, because you don't have to show your face and use all your own energy and stuff. I did the hybrid model where I show my face and do the Faceless channel. It's kind of funny for me to watch. Oh, one of the good things too was in the contract they did termite repairs. Yeah, I'm like,
are you ready?
Oh, here we go. This is my cartwheel.
Oh, please. What? I was like, that's another cartwheel. Okay. Let's go. Oh, here he goes. He's gonna dive in.
Yeah, I was just like, literally, guys, I mean, I still do. This was 2 years ago though, but yeah, if I had to recommend anybody to start a little side hustle, it would probably be the Faceless YouTube channel method, because I don't know, it's like, I don't want to promise anything, because I hate when people say, oh, I'm going to guarantee you make all this money, but I almost would go so far as to say, if you put in enough hours doing this, you could start, you know, getting a channel that has 1 million subscribers, a couple 100,000 subscribers. I mean, my channel has a million subscribers. And I actually, from the very beginning, started doing the Faceless YouTube channel method. I would hire out people on this channel to make videos for this channel, like this one. Should you work for Instacart? Like this girl. Look, see all these different people. It was always faceless. But you can see it's the hybrid model, so it was my face plus other people. But I mean, I could have very clearly just done this without anybody else. I mean, these videos were getting great views, 16,000 views. This is my channel. This one, 15,000 views. Look at this one, 26,000 views, 19,000 views. These are all videos that I did not create, but people made for me. This one, 43,000 views, this guy. And I would just reach out to people and ask them to make videos for me, for a shout out. And look at this one. Oh, I'm not logged into that channel. It's okay. But here, I can just log in real quick. I have a bunch of different YouTube channels, as you can see. But look at this one. Oh, why is it not loading?
Job, so I don't have a lot.
I don't know why it's not loading. That's really weird. But anyways, it's just an example. Check out the course below. Otherwise, guys, get your 30-day free trial. We'll talk soon. Bye now.